What is up, everybody? I am just doing this short video today just to give you some updates about what I've been doing lately. I am actually sitting in the truck right now, just in the park. Just took a breather from a drive I just went on. I just drove around town, just enjoying the day. So quick updates on the truck, which I would call Project X, because I bought this truck as a project and as my daily driver at the same time. I would love to, by the end of this year, have it fixed up, which is my goal, to at least 95% of what I'm trying to do to it. So I do have some other things coming up for Project X, which is my 2000 Dodge Ram 1500 short bed 5.2 engine. I actually lately, the only thing I've done is I've replaced the radiator and the water pump. So besides replacing the water pump and the radiator, I've checked it for any other I'd say electrical problems, or I do have one leak that I'm still trying to find. There is an antifreeze leak, a coolant leak under the truck, under the middle, near where the heater core hose is. So I haven't found that leak yet, but that's next on my list. But yes, I have replaced the water pump and the radiator, OEM parts, original parts, and the truck is running like a champ. The only thing is that leak. I've used different products to either locate the leak or try to stop it from its source, but still no full fix on the leak under the truck. So besides that, I've just been doing some different things in my personal life that pretty much, I had a setback just recently, but I'm working through that, and that's the only reason why the Project X build had to halt for a moment. And when I say a moment, it's been since the last video I filmed for Project X. So for Project Y, which is my Dodge Avenger, my 2010 Dodge Avenger RT 4-cylinder, I haven't done much to it lately. Of course, you may have noticed I did change the grill on my truck, and I tried to make my vehicle stand out a little bit, even though I don't have a full paint job. I don't have a paint job at all on Project X, but that's coming. That's one of the things I have coming. And I do also plan to either clean up my Project X shoes, which is the rims, the 20-inch rims I have on them. But that is cosmetic. That's coming soon. I keep them pretty clean on the daily, but like I said, that's in the future when I will get them clean to the max, like I like to have them clean. The other thing I have coming up is I would love to replace the dash on Project X. Just give it a brand new dash, and just make sure that I have everything in working order and looking better than it is now, because the dash is all cracked. It's cracked to the max. It's bad. I won't even show it. It's bad. But besides those things, that's all I have going on. And just stay tuned. I thank you guys for supporting me in any way you have. I do these videos just to show people that you can do your own fixes within a budgetary within budget. Like I said earlier, I just want to thank you for anything you've done to support me on this page, and there is more to come. I look forward to just showing you different other things I have coming for this Project X and Project Y. Project Y, I'm still working on some ideas, but I'll let you know. So thanks for watching, and you have a great day.